Good afternoon, everyone. Open your English literature book. English literature. Open your English literature book. Chapter number 8. Chapter 8. Eating words. Catherine B. Houghton lekha eating words. Okay. Eating words. This is a poem. Some creatures eat only plants and vegetables. Others eat only meat, and some eat both. So some creatures, they have different name. Okay. Some creatures eat only plants and vegetables. They have the name. And only meat, they have another name. And some eat both, they have another name. Okay. So they have different name. Some creatures eat only plants and vegetables. Others eat only meat. And some eat both. Do you know what each type of eaters is called? Do you know what each type of eaters is called? Have you already read in science carnivorous, omnivorous, herbivorous? Have you already read that? Okay. So everyone know the creatures that are called eat only plants, that is called herbivorous, and that only meat, carnivorous, and meat and vegetables both, they are omnivorous. Okay, so let's start the poem. When you know that vor means eat, when you know that vor means eat, you will know that insectivores feed on grasshoppers, moths, and butterflies. Everyone know the meaning of grasshoppers, moth, and butterflies. Mosquitoes, bees, and plain old flies. Plain old means ordinary. Plain old means ordinary. So when you know that vor means eat, you will know that insectivorous feed on grasshoppers, moths, and butterflies, mosquitoes, bees, and plain old flies. When you know that carni means meat, you will know that carnivores eat snakes and lizards, deer, lamb, carrion, birds, fish, and clams. Carrion means rotting flesh of dead animals. Rotting flesh, মানে পচা, ঠিক আছে? Rotting flesh of dead animals. Rotting, rotten মানে পচে যাওয়া, rotting flesh of dead animals. Okay, so when you know that carni means meat, you will know that carnivorous eat snakes and lizards, deer and lamb, carrion, birds, fish, and clams. Clams means a type of shellfish that can be eaten. Type of shellfish. Shellfish মানে হচ্ছে ওপরটা, মাছের ওপরটা খুব শক্ত, সেল থাকে, ঠিক আছে? যেমন শামুকের, স্নেলের যেমন সেল থাকে, সেলের মধ্যে শামুক থাকে, স্নেল থাকে। Shellfish that can be eaten. A type of shellfish that can be eaten. When you know that herb means plant, you will know that herbivores can't eat anything that moves on a foot, just foods that spring up from a root. So when you know that herb means plant, যখন তুমি জানো যে herb means plant, you will know that herbivores can't eat anything that moves on a foot. যারা পায়েতে চলে বেড়ায় তাদের কিন্তু হার্বিভোরাস, তাদের খায় না। হার্বিভোরাস যারা হয়, যারা পায়ে চলে বেড়ায় মানে অ্যানিমালস, তাদের খায় না, ঠিক আছে? and just foods that spring up মানে grow from a land, from a root, মানে মূল থেকে যেগুলো বেরোয়, that is called plant, ঠিক আছে? যে সেইগুলো ওরা খায়। when you know that when you know that omni means all, you will know that omnivorous call everything they can suck or chew, sometimes even me or you, food. When you know what that omni means all, you will know that omnivorous call everything. The omni means all. Okay, when you all know that omni means all, that you will know that omnivorous call everything. Omnivorous ra shop khai, call everything, they can suck or chew, sometimes even me or food or you food. Okay, সব কিছুই ওরা খায়। তাহলে when you know that boar means eat, you will know that insectivorous feed on grasshoppers, moths, butterflies, mosquitoes, bees, and plain old flies. When you know that herb means plant, you will know that herbivores can't eat anything that moves on a foot, just foods that spring up from a root. When you know that carni means meat, you will know that carnivores eat snakes and lizards, deer and lamb, carrion birds, fish, and clams. And when you know that omni means all, you will know that omnivorous call everything. They can suck or chew. Suck means sucking kora. Suck kora. Okay. Suck or chew. Sometimes even me or you food. Insects ra ki kore? Insects ra ki kore যখন nectar টা flowers এ যে nectar থাকে ওরা কি করে? suck করে। Sucking the nectars. Insects ra ki kore? Sucks the nectars of the flowers. This is called suck. Okay. There are certain, green corner দেখো, there are certain animals which feed on flesh of dead animals. These animals, including vultures, hyenas, and jackals, are known as scavengers. Termites, on the other hand, feed on dead plants. Termites রা কি করে? ওরাও কি করে? dead plants টার উপরে feed করে, ওটা খেয়ে ওরা বেঁচে থাকে। There are certain animals which feed on the flesh of dead animals. These animals, including vultures, hyenas, and jackals, are known as scavengers. Termites, on the other hand, feed on dead plants. Okay, so these are called scavengers. Okay, so everyone read the poem. Ishani Obhipsha. Yes, tell me.
And what is meaning of nectar?
Nectar. This is the honey. Honey. Nectar means honey.
Okay, ma'am, no more doubt.
Yes, Trisha Bera.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, what is the meaning of I'm old?
What?
I am so. This.
Plain old. Plain old means ordinary. Plain old.
Ma'am, Bengali meaning?
সাধারণ.
And what Bengali meaning of this?
ও পচা মাংস. Carry on.
And Bengali meaning of this?
ওটা এক ধরনের ফিশ. ঠিক আছে, ফিশের নাম ওটা, ক্ল্যামস.
And
আমি
Bengali
দেখতে
meaning of
পাচ্ছি না. ঐশীও তুমি শুনে নাও, যেগুলো যেগুলো জিজ্ঞেস করছো বলে দিচ্ছি, শুনে নাও. হ্যাঁ.
Bengali meaning of this?
স্প্রিং আপ. স্প্রিং আপ.
Yes, ma'am.
ও
Yes, ma'am.
জন্মানো.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. No more doubt.
Okay. Trisha, just drop your hands. Afrina Khatun.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of this one, Bengali?
Sak.
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Sak means হচ্ছে বেঙ্গলি মিনিং এ কি বলবো, টেনে নেওয়া আর কি, চোষা, মানে ওই যে মধুটাকে সাকিং করে না, ওটাকে বলে সাক.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of this one?
কোনটা? Grasshoppers.
No, ma'am, this one.
Insectivorous.
Oh,
And
ma'am.
just pronounce it, Afrina. Pronounce these one can pronounce করো.
INSECT, insectivorous, BORS.
ওদেরকে বলে আর কি, insectivorous feet.
Ma'am, this one, PLAIN, plain old.
হ্যাঁ, plain old. Plain old মানে সাধারণ, ordinary.
Ma'am, this one is SPRING,
Spring up মানে grow, জন্মানো.
No more doubt.
Those who have cleared all doubts, just drop your hands. Drop your hands. Yes, Mohsin.
Hello, ma'am. What is the meaning of grasshopper?
Foding.
And ma'am, what is the meaning of LIZARDS?
Yes. What?
LIZARDS.
Lizards. Lizards.
Yes, ma'am.
Tick-ticky.
And ma'am, what is the meaning of spring up?
Spring up মানে grow, জন্মানো.
Okay, ma'am. No more doubt.
Farzana. Yes. Farzana.
Hello, ma'am. Ma'am, what is the meaning of CARRION?
What? Pronounce it.
C-double-R-I-O-N.
T. Where? Oh, where? Show me. Show me that portion.
One second. So,
Carrion.
Yes,
Carrion rotting flesh of dead animals.
ma'am, P-L-A-I-N. Plain old.
Plain old means হচ্ছে ordinary, সাধারণ।
And ma'am, this is food for thought.
হ্যাঁ, food for thought.
H-Y-E-N-A.
Hyena. One type of animal. Hyena.
Ma'am, C-E-R-T-A-I-N.
Hmm?
C-E-R-T-A-I-N.
C ki C. Where? Just show me.
C-E-R.
Certain. Oh, there are certain animals. ওই certain মানে actual মানে ওই অ্যানিমাল গুলোকে বলছে। There are certain animals.
And climb.
Hmm?
C-L-A-M-S.
Clams means হচ্ছে a type of shellfish that can be eaten. Name of
This is my last one.
huh?
C-A-R-N-I.
Carrion to carrion.
No, ma'am. C-A-R-N-I.
Oh, carnivorous. Okay, carni means meat. Carnivorous বলে না, carnivorous.
And this is my last out. Spring up.
Yes.
S-P-R-I-N-G. Spring up.
Spring up. Yes, spring up মানে grow.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. No more doubt.
Yes. Nauraz Ali.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Tell me.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of borders?
বোর মিন্স হচ্ছে এখানে হচ্ছে ইট বলছে ইট, আর ওটা হচ্ছে মানে হোপ মানে হচ্ছে আশা আকাঙ্ক্ষা করা। বোর মিন্স হিয়ার বোর মিন্স ইট। I can't hear your voice, Nauraz. Your video is freezed. Yes, Soikot Bera.
Yes, ma'am.
Nauraz, I can't hear your voice.
Yes, ma'am. Can you hear me?
Yes, Soikot, huh?
Ma'am, what is the meaning of insectivore?
Insectivorous, that insecti মানে insect হচ্ছে insect মানে কি? What is the meaning of insect?
মানে
Tell me the meaning of insect. First.
ma'am, পোকামাকড় তো।
Yes. So insectivorous means হচ্ছে carnivorous plant or animal that eats insects. Okay. So which also refers to the human practice of eating insects. The first vertebrate insectivorous were amphibians. Insectivorous means হচ্ছে পোকামাকড়।
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
ma'am, in our summative assessment, one exam was মানে আমাদের সামেটিভ অ্যাসাইনমেন্ট ওয়ান এক্সামটা কবে হবে?
এক্সামটা কবে হবে?
দেরি আছে না তাড়াতাড়ি?
ইয়েস দেরি আছে, সেপ্টেম্বর। ওকে, আচ্ছা, everyone write and insectivorous, everyone write the meaning, insectivorous, everyone write in your copy or in your book, everyone write in your copy or in your book. And insectivorous is a carnivorous plant or animal that eats insects. And insectivore is a carnivorous plant or animal. An insectivore is a carnivorous plant or animal that eats insects. তাহলে ইনসেক্টিভোরাস কাদের বলছে? যারা ইনসেক্টস খায়, যারা ইনসেক্টসদের খায় তাদেরকে কি বলছে? ইনসেক্টিভোরাস। ওকে, যারা এই কীট পতঙ্গ এদেরকে খায় তাদেরকে বলছে ইনসেক্টিভোরাস। বেঙ্গলিতে বলে দিলাম, ঠিক আছে? ইনসেক্টিভোরাস। যারা এই কীট পতঙ্গদের খায়, যারা এই ইনসেক্টসদের খায় তাদেরকে বলছে ইনসেক্টিভোরাস। ওকে, এই সৈকত, unmute yourself. Okay, who is this? Who is this? Who is this?
Ma'am, may I go to toilet?
Yes, may go. Who is this? Ma'am, please unmute me. Who is this? Okay, I will give your attendance. Just wait for minutes. Give your attendance. Everyone read this poem carefully. I will and you will ask your doubts tomorrow. Okay, read this poem carefully. Drop your hands. Drop your hands. Otherwise, I have problem to give your attendance. Just drop your hands. Please drop your hands. Anonna Manna, present, absent. Bahia, where is Bahia? Bahia Mondol. Meenakshi present, Farhan present, Farzana, Ishika, Meheria Murshid, Mosim, Mosa, Musaiba, Parijat, Kaushali, Pratibha, Raisa, Sahil Jamal, সৈকত বেরা, সম্প্রীতি খাড়া, সৌগত লস্কর, শিরিন, সায়ন, শিফাত, ইন্তেখাব, ইরফান, নাহিদ, নওরাজ আলী, ওকে, আমরি সাহিন, সোম দত্তপাল, সৌমদীপ, সৌমক সিংহ, স্পন্দন, yes, স্পন্দন, শুভাঙ্গী, সুলগ্না, সুস্নাতা, স্বর্ণাক্ষী, তৃষা, ওয়াজিদ। Hey, Anjum, Anjum, yes. Everyone wear your school uniform. Everyone wear your school uniform at the time of the class. Bolo, bolo. Tell me. Hmm.
An insectivorous eat plants then?
হ্যাঁ, insectivorous.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, say.
Okay, right. An insectivore is a carnivorous plant or animal that eats insects. Carnivorous plant or animal that eats insects. That eats insects. যারা insects খায় তাদেরকে বলা হয় insectivorous.
Can you say again?
Insectivorous is a carnivorous plant or animals that eats insects. Okay. So okay everyone. Huh.
Not completed.
Okay. Very good. So everyone, bye bye.